salmon hanging out in the water and some seals hanging out on a boat. Those are United States Navy seals on the green boat over there. And if you go to southern China, you'll find fishermen who train cormorants for fishing. People take these little birds, they put a leash on their ankle, they tie a band around their neck so they can't swallow, and they send them out into the water. The bird will dive down 50 feet or so, catch a fish, come back up. The guy in the boat takes the fish out of their beak, sends them out to do it again. It is the world's laziest form of fishing. All of these guys that are sitting there with their noses up in the air, pumping their chests out, barking. Those are all young males, and they're all trying to be as big and loud and obnoxious as they possibly can. Because they think that causes the girl sea lions to come over to their dock. And they're trying to tell the other guy sea lions, you look how big and tough I am. The chicks on this dock are mine. You stay away. If you'd like to observe the human form of that behavior, you can walk into any bar in downtown.